So, hello, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the third and final video of filming in one day. So this morning we did my MOT, little service and wheel alignment. This afternoon we failed to fit my grills because I ordered eBay parts and they're the wrong ones, and we fitted the rear diffuser and the front grille underneath the number plate, and that's all good, that looks sexy. Today, now, we are going to rebuild my Vanos unit. I have the lovely Mark from Paddock.
Seals.
Vanos Seals. I have the lovely Mark with me today who's going to talk me through how to do it, what to do, and also the parts and components that we need to make the seals all nice and new again. When Mark's back, I'll tell him to tell you what Vanos is, because I don't actually know. If you're not already part of Talk Nation, give this video a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to Talk Nation. Also, follow Paddock Motors on Instagram, Facebook. You can find them under Paddock Performance. Mark!
Yes.
What is Vanos?
Vanos.
That's all I know. That's Vanos, my
BMW's variable valve timing system.
Right.
So, long story short, you can alter the timing of the camshafts for different engine speeds and loads. Which gives you more power, ultimately.
We'll go for more power, that's it. Come closer. Is that a fuel rail?
That's a fuel rail with your injectors.
I know what that is. So, replacing the seals, what? Seals. What does that technically do? Just make everything more airtight, I guess?
Yeah, so the Vanos is operated by oil pressure. Engine oil pressure, and over a period of time the seals, the original BMW seals, go hard, and eventually the Vanos isn't operating to its full potential.
Right, okay.
So we're going to strip the Vanos with a piston on the side, which would be better explained when
we can see it.
When we can actually see it.
Yeah.
And
nice.
We'll take it apart and explain how it works.
Yes.
This particular engine, the M52, just has variable valve timing on the inlet camshaft. Okay. But later engines went on to have variable valve timing on inlet and exhaust.
Ah. So we've just removed basically all the engine cover and everything to reveal the gorgeous 6 cylinders that are beneath. So what are we doing now?
So now we're going to time the camshafts up before we take the Vanos unit.
This little bit here is the Vanos unit. So to get to this bit, to rebuild that, to make all the seals nice again, you have to take all of that off just to get to that bit.
But the idea with variable valve timing is that you'll remember years ago when people used to put lumpy cams in their engines. Yeah. And the engines used to sound awful at idle, but used to come on song at higher revs. Higher revs, exactly. And the idea behind variable valve timing is that you can have the best of both worlds, because you can
have it sing at higher revs but also actually have the performance lower down.
You can retard it, exactly, and have the performance and the smooth running low down, but you can also have the advance at high revs, which is just what you need.
For the camera, run through what we've taken off so far, just so we're up to date.
Yep, so we started off taking the engine covers off, the plastic covers.
Yep.
And then we've taken the cam cover off, which is the one that covers the camshafts themselves. And then there's a small deflection cover that goes over the inlet cam.
Yep.
We've taken out the 2 blanking plugs to get to the bolts for the sprocket.
Yep.
Disconnected the high pressure oil line.
Yep.
We've disconnected the electronic solenoid for the Vanos.
Yep.
And now we're just working our way around the ring of bolts that hold the Vanos unit itself to the cylinder head.
Amazing.
And we're going to then, well, we've timed the camshaft so they're in the correct position.
Yeah.
And so now we're just going to pull the Vanos unit off the front of the engine.
Yes! You are clever. Oh yeah, buddy!
This is our Vanos unit, controlling just the inlet cam on this particular car. So it works, basically it can move the camshaft independently of the sprocket.
Right, okay.
So the sprocket fits on the outside,
yep,
and you see those teeth are skew.
Yeah.
Yes, they're not straight.
No, they're like all lined up. Yeah.
Yeah. The ones on the inside are straight. So if you move this piston in and out, excuse the oil everywhere, you can move the sprocket in relation to the camshaft.
Oh, amazing.
Which moves it advanced or retarded. And now I've made a mess on the floor.
You have. You've squiddled a little bit.
I apologise.
Let's rebuild it.
Yes, let's fix it.
Cool. It's so strong.
That's actually my knuckles picking at me.
Oh, nice.
Up like that. Yeah, as we thought, a fair bit of oil going on there.
Oh no, it's all over your shoes. Nice.
And there we have the little seal.
Oh wow.
So
all of that for that.
Let's get that cleaned up and put back together.
Right, after a short, slightly long break because my batteries died, and I didn't put any of them on charge, we're back. So what we've done is we've replaced the inner seal on the Vanos unit itself. We're now replacing the gasket cover, the gasket for the Vanos unit to go back on there. And then we're basically just going to bolt it all back on. And she'll run sweet again. What are you thinking power-wise? About 1 million?
Oh, I'd say we're in Bugatti Veyron territory.
I was about to say, yeah, it's probably about there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When we built this car last year, we actually renewed, when we had the engine out, we renewed this gasket anyway. So
okay.
Obviously,
it won't be too bad.
It's not bad at all, and you could possibly get away without replacing it, but we've got a new one, so we might as well do it.
Thanks. Boom. There you have it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. That was Mark, and myself, rebuilding the Vanos unit on the E36 BMW. If you're not already part of the Top Nation, hit the subscribe button. Follow Paddock Motors because this is basically going to be our little project together. And I'm super excited to do all the stuff to it. Thanks for watching. See you later in the next one. Bye.
motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.